Welcome to Lawyer Unveiled. My name is Attorney Chevelle Douglas. I am a licensed family law attorney here in the state of Georgia. Today's video is about domestic violence and proving domestic violence in court. One of the things that are probably most difficult for judges is trying to determine whether or not to issue a protective order when there has been an allegation of violence, or in a divorce, trying to decipher whether or not someone is making a false allegation to gain some kind of advantage in a divorce proceeding. It happens all the time. So just to get right to the crux of it, in one of my tip videos, I said very succinctly that if you don't call the police, it didn't happen. And I know for a fact that there have been many protective orders which have not been issued because there were no calls to police. There was no proof of any domestic violence actually happening. So to best protect yourself is to always call the police, even if it's the day after and you feel like you just need to go to the police to make an incident report. If you don't do that, you have a game of he say, she say, and that's just not the kind of thing that you want to go to court with, is a he say, she say situation, especially if you don't know the judge that you're going to be before. Because if he or she is more conservative, they need more information, more proof, you're in trouble. But if you're able to get a police report, if you're able to get call logs from 911, which exemplify that there were actually calls, then that bolsters your story. You should never go to court thinking that what you say from your mouth is going to be sufficient. You always need a witness or a piece of paper, something to back up what you say. Now, there are some other technicalities in terms of being able to utilize a police report in court. Sometimes it might be necessary to actually subpoena the officer that was present and or that took the actual police report. So my advice, if you take nothing away from this, is to always call the police, always document any incidents of domestic violence, either male versus female or female versus male, because it does happen. And courts will issue a protective order if they find that there is a likelihood that some kind of domestic violence occurred, especially if there are children present. So protect yourself, keep good records, keep videos, keep voice recordings, because those are the kinds of things that you can utilize in court to protect yourself. Again, we love talking to people. If you have any questions, give my office a call, 678-534-2490, or you can go onto my website at www.douglaslawgroup.com for more information. Have a great day.